Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting while in game, so act fast. Pause or reach a safe spot and keep your controller handy. Open Settings or the Quick Action Center now, because you need direct access to focus or Do Not Disturb controls. This is where interruptions are managed. You do this to avoid rejoining mid-fight. Once the panel is visible, look for Notifications, Focus, or Do Not Disturb labels. These group the toggles you'll change. Make sure you don't close the game when switching screens. Next, change the mode. Toggle Do Not Disturb off, or select a game focus so notifications stay suppressed but essential alerts pass through. You're doing this because a blanket off can be noisy. Game focus is smarter. Edit exceptions to allow alarms or a single contact, and make sure app-based notification rules won't re-enable DND automatically. Once done, double-check any scheduled start times. They can restart DND mid-session. This balance keeps gameplay uninterrupted while preserving critical alerts. Finish by returning to your game and testing. Watch for banners, sounds, or overlay pop-ups. If Do Not Disturb still blocks correctly, you're set. If it doesn't respond, restart the console or PC, or toggle focus off and on twice to reset the service. That often clears sticky states. Make sure the game has proper notification permissions and that your OS isn't forcing scheduled DND via updates. If problems continue, update the system or check the device support forum for device-specific quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.